Yeah, they wanna know how to get like me. Dream so big that I cannot sleep. Put in that time and I put in that grind. I'm the best in the world, that's all I see. Never back down, I'm standing strong. They gonna talk, but they all been wrong. What they gonna say when I keep going up? What they gonna do when I don't fall off? Look at my skills, look at my flaws. Never been perfect, I'm not a god, but I'm a GOAT. I've been the greatest whenever I spoke. Looking around and they doing the most. Whatever I touch, I turn it to gold.
A little bit of a different video today. We're going to actually change the weather stripping / stew strips on a 2021 Kia Forte GT, which is right here. You see on the stew strips, they're pretty beat up. Look at that. Common Kia problem. Things fall apart. Back ones are actually pretty good. They're not bad at all. But the front ones are really bad. I'll show you both sides here. I mean, that's pretty bad there. So, had to order them from Kia, of course. Got them right here. Don't look like they're too bad. Looks like you just pop off the edges, lift it up, slap it back in. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to take my plastic little pry bar. Looks like you can just pry right in here and that out. Well, the mirror might be a little bit of a problem. This is behind that. Wow, that was pretty simple. You have two clips. You have one there, one there. Little pry bar, plastic. Make sure you don't take a metal one. Just pop right up. The clip stayed in there. Grab the new one. Just clean this up. Alright, looks like that definitely goes underneath the mirror there. Wonder if I put it over here first. Like this. You can't see what I'm doing here. My little pry bar. Looks like a piece has to tuck under the mirror right here. Probably get it with my little bar. I mean, a sensible way might be to take the mirror off, but boy, this, I mean, it snapped right in there like that. Should turn the mirror or window off before I put the head down, but bring you guys over closer now. Look at that. Like brand new. Wasn't too bad. I'll do the other side just like that and pretty much be done with this. Alright. This side doesn't have much lighting. I try to put a little light over here so it's on this side. A little hard when I paint here too. Put lights up everywhere. So basically, I take my little pry bar underneath there. Look at the other side. Oh, I guess I use this one. Pull this back. Pull snap. Like that. Lift that up. Do the same thing right here. Snap. My clip broke on that one, but comes with new clips. This side is a little bit more of a problem. Oh, there it goes. Oh, this doesn't want to come out of here, but there. Doesn't matter how it looks. Get my new one out for my bag. I should have that ready for you guys, but I'm not a professional here. Alright, basically goes like this. There is a little notch right here that goes underneath the mirror. And I'll clean that up. Put it right there underneath the notch. This one looks like it's a little different on this side. It's got a different of a like that. Put this one there, like that. Down. We have pry bar. Using all my stuff here. I know I set it down somewhere. Alright, I wanted to get that up underneath that mirror. Look at that. Put that in there. Look at that. Make sure it's lined up. Let's slide a little bit this way. Just get it down. Snap that one in there. There you go. Another one on. See that? All nice and good. So it wasn't too bad. It's funny because I was looking online at these, and a lot of the dealers were charging like almost $700 just to install that. $700 bucks. I did it in what? 15 minutes tops. Have to clean up the car a little bit, but the car does need to be waxed. Not as shiny as it used to be. Kia has come a long way though from when they first started, but this one's got a little bit of pep to it. It's the GT version of it. I mean, that's just a saying anyways, but GT line. But it's all nice. I mean, it's got to be cleaned inside. Get that off there, but there you go. It wasn't too bad installing those. Like I said, 15 minutes. So hope I help somebody out that needs to install them on their Kia. Buy them from Kia. They were $50 a piece. So $100 in parts. 15 minutes in labor yourself. Saves you a lot more money than going to the dealer. So thank you for watching.